So you cannot spend more than 100. So your expenditure will be less than or equal to 100. Means you can spend all 100 rupees or you can spend less than 100 rupees. Got it? So inequality means it is of two kinds. We have less than or more than, less than or more than. Suppose we are given an equation like 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, for example. First, mute yourself, everybody, mute yourself. Now suppose an equation is given 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. It is equation. Now, in equation, it may be like 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 5, or you can write 2x plus 3y is more than equal to 5, or in other way you can write 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 5, or you can write 2x plus 3y is more than or equal to 5. These four situations can arise. Now we have two kinds of inequality here, less than and less than or equal, more than or equal. So what we read as, see, when we have, when we have less or more, less or more symbol, we see this is strict, strict inequality, strict inequality. When you have less than or equal or more than or equal, we say this as slack inequality, inequality. So solution of the equation, it may be either in one variable or in two variables. Solution is very simple. You should understand this. Whenever you are given to solve, suppose we are given an equation in a single variable, 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to 5. Now try to understand its working rule. If you add or subtract any number on both sides, if you add or subtract any positive number on both sides, then sign of inequality remains unchanged. Signs of inequality will remain unchanged. If you shift any number from left to right or right to left, its sign will change according to algebraic rule. Now, if you multiply the inequality by a negative number on both sides, the sign of inequality will reversed. Means if it is less than, it will reverse into more than. Suppose we have here 2x plus 3, so send this 3 this side, less than 5 minus 3, we have 2x is less than 2, or x is less than 1. If you multiply or divide the inequality by any number, the sign of inequality will never change. And suppose we are given like this, suppose we are given like this, suppose we have 3 minus 2x is less than 5, for example. 3 minus 2x. First, what to do? We send this 3 into right side without changing, as I told. When we shift any number from left to right or right to left, its sign will change. So we can write minus 2x is less than 5 minus 3, minus 2x is less than 2. Now see, this is negative. To remove this minus sign from here, we multiply both sides by minus 1, or you can say minus. So when we multiply any inequality by negative sign, its sign of inequality reversed. Like we can write this 2x is more than minus 2. 2x is more than minus 2 and x is more than minus 1. Now let's see how to write the result. Here in the solution, we are given x is more than minus 1 and it is open interval. You have been taught in first chapter set, it is open interval. It means the number is more than minus 1. Means if you write the answer like this, it is all right. Or you can write the answer like this. This is minus 1 to nd, because this number is more than minus 1, means it goes to nd, infinite. So you can answer. Yes, anybody? Anyone is asking something? Mute yourself first. If you want to ask anything, then unmute and then ask. Got it? Okay. So basically this chapter is about inequality. Now we can find the solution of different inequations by shifting the number into left, into right, by multiplying negative sign, changing to positive, and so on. And we plot the graph of the equation. We find the solution or group of solutions. Means you have been taught in class 9 that a single equation may have infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions means many solutions. So we can find the solution graphically also. Now let's see